Hello, welcome to this video. I am Ashikur Rahman. So in this video I will show you how the ad blocker work and how it can affect in your business. So eventually I am going to show you something about the future of your business, especially if you run ads on Google or Facebook or any other platform, because you must have set up tracking on your website and you will need to look at this. So what I'm trying to show you this, that at first this is a ad blocker plugin, and this is a e-commerce website. So I just want to show you that. Let's stop this and refresh. Sorry. So now let's see, this is a meta pixel helper tools. So if I click this, we can see that there is a event setup, or there is a analytics tracking. So if I visit any kind of page like a product page, so here we can see that a view content event fired. So that means the Facebook got this info, view content event with dynamic value tracking. So this event was sent to Facebook. But if I turn on this ad blocker for this website and refresh this, then we can see that there is no metapixel. But is this true? No, because there is code. By this tool we can see that there is Facebook pixel code is still alive. So that means the code is there, but Facebook didn't get this information. Why and how? Because ad blocker plugin blocked the third party cookies. So what is cookie? Cookie is a small code that send data to other websites other than the owner of this website. So that means if I place Google and Analytics or Google Ads or Facebook Pixel, any kind of code in on my website, that is a third party code. So this code send data to that platform, but for ad blocker it will not work. So that is why you need to set up server side tracking, because by server side tracking you will set up first party cookie, and you can send data from your website directly. So that is how you can get the customer data and seamlessly, and your ads will not hampered. If the data cannot be sent, then your ads will be hampered, because you cannot get enough data, and your ads will not be monitored, or will not be optimized. Then your cost will be higher than the previous time. So that is why you need to implement server side tracking. So if you need any kind of help to set up server side tracking, then you can contact me. Thank you, and subscribe to get this kind of video more.